Hello, my name is Nikki Shelton here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will do another GIF with sounds reaction video. So I want you to, if you like this video, smash that like button down below and subscribe. At the end of the video, you can see up above, right in the corner, the right hand corner, you'll see, I'll do this at the end, but just to tell you, on the right hand corner there will be my channel and that stuff, and down below on the right will be the next video in my YouTube channel. So check that out. Subscribe to me on this reaction video, the people that see it. So thank you. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh! Is he okay?
And then I fired again, and then I missed, and then I fired, and then I fired, and I missed. I missed both times, and then I fired, and I missed. This went on for several hours, and then I fired, and then I missed, and then I got sad.
What the? Wow, this thing's making my eyes hurt. He's so cute. The dog's so cute. Oh my god. That's pretty cool. What? Oh, from Sonic. Oh my god. You see me rolling from my ball.
They see me rolling, they hate it, controlling and trying to catch me right.
Ha!
You fail.
Oh my god, it got me. No, break it. They see me cruising would be better. Oh my god. It's so funny. Okay. Oh my god, not okay, the guy fell. Okay, it probably gets funnier the third time.
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
The dog. Well, okay. Well, you seen it? That was GIFs with sound 2. Hold on. That was scary. Well, that's the end of my video. Well, I'll see you in the... So, don't forget, smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to see more of my videos, check in the right corner. If you want to go to my YouTube channel, go to my YouTube channel, hit the corner right over here. And I'll see you next time. Bye.